how to cancel your Uber ride. If you'd like to cancel your Uber ride, it is actually simple to do so, but it might incur you a certain amount of fee. Now, if the driver has already arrived at your location, in that case it might not be cancelable, but regardless, if you want to do so, you can just go ahead and launch the Uber app. Once you launch the Uber app, this is the type of interface that you will see. Now over here, what you have to do is you have a certain ride that you booked, right, and they're coming to pick you up, but you can see the pickup spot and where the driver is. Now if they're nearing the area, chances are it might not be available for you to cancel, but as always, you can just tap on that particular transaction right there, and once you've selected that, you can see all these options. You can go to activity. Once you go to activity, you will see your ongoing order, which you can select and cancel it. Now if you don't see the cancel button, you can also directly contact the rider and ask for an apology that you would like to cancel the order regardless. So I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.